Um, there are a few bugs that well, there are a few bugs that you need to be careful about. For example, if you take a rack, and you will notice that this one is also not positioned correctly, but it demonstrates pretty good that when the collider actually adds the mass, as I mentioned earlier, but it doesn't collide with anything, so you can do this. So and the problem with this is that if you grab it in this state, if you drop it, sorry, if you drop it in this state, it will just mess up the physics. You see, for example, jumping out, or at some points it would just knock out the Kerbal or send it into the right into Kraken. Woo! Okay, so this is something that you should be careful about when placing things, when going through things, when even if you're going near some terrain. But I guess that this could be avoided with the script. For example, if you avoid things being placed, just like detect somehow that a part is colliding with another with a static object or another part, and you just say, can't drag, it's colliding. It would be a quick fix in my opinion, but yeah, you can always do this. You can cheat physics a bit because if you press G, as you can see, you will just pick up, and the rack will just skip to the other side, and that's not very realistic. And I'm sure somebody could exploit this. Um, yeah, the funny thing about the new curvable attachment system is that actually the racks are now binded to the transform. So, for example, the rack is bind to attached, parented, let's say, to this to the Kerbal's back. So if you can see, it's just moving exactly where the together with the Kerbal's back. So a very nice thing that I've noticed is that I was worried first that the parts are going to be very, people, when people see a lot of parts on a ship, they're always arguing, they're always saying, oh, so many parts. And actually with these, I just yesterday made a ship with 300 parts and didn't feel any frame rate drop, which is amazing. And I don't really know why. Is it because the physics, the KSP physics avoids some small objects, or I don't really know. But yeah, let's try to recreate what I did and just show you. So as you can see here, this is a pretty big object. It has 358 parts, and it's still not a big punch for the frame rate. If I move to space, you can see that there's very little punch. Um, I can even demonstrate you picking up some parts.